Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 9 of distance learning. Today is the 17th of May. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Right. What is going on this week? On Wednesday, we do have our KHDA distance learning evaluation visit. So, what does this mean? Well, that means that we will have inspectors who will come in on Wednesday. They'll have discussions with senior leaders and with some teachers, and they'll also go into some classrooms. So you may see on your screen something pop up. A visitor may come in doing one of your lessons on Wednesday, and it's really important that you don't go and start going asking questions and to that person or that individual, but they have a job to do, which is to come in and see how you are learning and how those teachers are delivering distance learning. But what's important is you just carry on as normal, okay? But just be polite, be punctual, all those fantastic things that you guys do anyways, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, they're more than likely to come in period 3 or period 4 on Wednesday, and your teachers are fully aware. Again, it's an opportunity for us to show off the amazing work that you guys as students have done, how well your parents have been supportive, and also the amazing work that your teachers have been doing in terms of adapting to this new online system. Okay, so that is on the 20th. And again, thank you to everyone who's filled out the questionnaires to support us with that. We believe that Eid al-Fitr will take place from the 24th to the 26th. Yes, you've seen it in the news, okay, from multiple different sources, and that will more than likely be the case. We're just waiting for confirmation from the KHDA and from Interventures, and we will get that information to you as soon as possible. Okay? Right. Two last little things is, I think this question says it all right there, is how resilient are you? And this is a really important skill, I think, during this particular time. And the word resilient itself, it just means just how you are how good you are, at being adaptable and being, having the ability to just kind of accept things have how they are and be able to bounce back. So it is tough, and I do appreciate that. But as this says here, it's a mindset and a skill that's essential, A, for your own success, but B, more importantly, about your well-being. And again, I hope you can see that your well-being and your health is a massive priority for us and for you as well. So please do definitely think about how you can become even more resilient in the way that you can approach things. And here are some different steps that you can take. Really accepting the fact that, oh, hang on a second, yes, we don't know how long this is going to go on for, how long social distancing will go on for. We do hope definitely that we will see all of you in September, that's for sure, but we know that probably it's going to be like a phased approach. I mean, some grades will come in, some grades won't be able to come in. Some, so it will very much depend on obviously what the government says. But I think what's really important is that you really think about how you adapt and how you change during these particular times, and just become more resilient. Okay, and the last thing is we have had an update and we've notified that on Microsoft Teams, currently when you go online and when you're speaking to obviously your friends or your peers or to the teacher, at this moment in time, you normally have a 2x2 screen on Microsoft Teams. So you can see 4 people on the screen chatting or speaking at once. Now they're potentially opening it up so you should be able to see 9 people. So you can see from my discussion with some of my friends over the weekend, some of them are a bit excited, some of them they're not really worried, some of them are like, I'm out, okay. Regardless, I'm just making you aware you may see this in the future coming to a Microsoft Teams channel near you. That's it for me, everyone. Have a fantastic week ahead. Keep being the amazing people that you are. That's it. Take care. Bye-bye.